Yes, how's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. This is Mark Days. If you're new here, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Today, we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 16 Pro Max for my wife and setting it up. And we're also going to be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 10 for her and setting that up as well. Right now, what you're looking at is me opening the box, taking a look at the device. Look, I'm not going to lie to y'all. There's going to be a lot of looking, a lot of watching when it comes to this device. I'm looking at it, I'm preeing it up, I'm watching it, I'm turning it from side to side, I'm looking at it from every single angle. Here we have the braided cable that came in the box. I don't know what this weird oval shape is that Apple's doing. I have no clue why they changed it, but they did. There's some oval shaped paperwork. I mean, it's 3 sheets. No stickers like you're used to. I don't know. Absolutely ridiculous, man. I just plucked it and put it away. There was no reason to keep that out. It was useless. But the phone is beautiful. Of course, it's very reminiscent of last year's model. Slightly larger. Peeled off that sticker. And we're taking a look at it. It's a beautiful titanium finish. Desert titanium is the color they call it. And man, I just call it gold because that's what it looks like to me. Beautiful titanium rails. A little bit of a fingerprint magnet, but that's cool. This year we have the camera button there where you're able to operate your camera from that particular button. Cool little addition. But we won't get too far in the setup process here. Sorry to ruin it for you. It's a spoiler alert. There goes my wife's 14 Pro Max. I just wanted to do like a little side by side with it. So I asked her to hand it over for a few seconds. She got a phone call right there, so I had to hand it right back. But I just sat here and started staring at the phone some more, kind of forgetting I was on camera. I said, oh shoot, let me move along with the video if I can, but I got kind of stuck just staring at it. I was looking at the way the light was reflecting off of it, and it was looking amazing. So we're gonna move right along. We start trying to set the phone up a little bit, but I kind of ran into a couple of hiccups because her phone was still backing up and all this nonsense. So I said, let me do a little quick comparison. As you can see, the bezels are super thin compared to the 14 Pro Max. Even the 15 Pro Max is slimmer compared to that one too. I couldn't show y'all because I was shooting on it. That's my actual phone, the 15 Pro Max. So I was shooting this on that. USB Type-C for the 16 Pro Max instead of that Lightning. Here goes the watch. So we're gonna pop the watch open and try to get a look here at what's going on. So we got the Series 10 Gold, a cellular version from our carrier, or whatever that band is called. I don't know. We're gonna rip this thing open here and kind of take a look and see what we're looking at. My wife is over there in the background. She's kind of dealing with her phone, kind of looking at it a bit. So she set it down. There goes the charger that comes in the actual box. At least we got a charger. With Apple, you just never can tell what they're gonna take away. Now, look at this. One stupid little piece of paper wrapped in whatever that is. Like, why even include that in the box? It's like a waste of materials. So we're gonna get to the watch here. It's a nice watch, very lightweight. My wife is upgrading from the Series 5. Yes, I know she's had her watch for a very long time. And I kind of got the hint when she wasn't wearing it a lot. So I said, let me go ahead and get her situated. Look at those bezels on this freaking Series 5, man. Look at that. They are thick with 3 C's, Jack. Man, that's wild. One upgrade since 5 years ago or whatever when that other one came out. Here goes the strap. Some light whitish, off-whitish color. I don't know what to call it. Cool little strap. My wife will not be using that strap, and you'll see here in a second why. But we did take a look at it. It was another stupid piece of paper. One sheet of paper in there. I don't even get it. Apple, what are y'all doing? That's not environmentally friendly. Bong. The big case O watch straps. Some old screen protectors there. So we start setting it up, but what ended up happening is we ran into a hiccup. It said the watch, or the phone, I believe, needed an update. So I'm like, all right, my wife wasn't updating her phone, which is cool. So in the meantime, while it's updating, she's just looking what strap she wants to start out with. I believe she chose that one that she's kind of pointing at now. Later on in the video, you'll see me install that. but she had a whole bunch of them from the other watches, and they all do fit, so why not? We got these in a little Temu, whatever you want to call it. Nice little haul there. Why buy the $100 freaking $50, $60 watch straps from Apple? Doesn't make any sense. Get a whole bunch of them for a few bucks. Came out nice here. So it's nice strap there. More like it's a purple, but like a lighter one. Her favorite color is purple, so she got a lot of purple straps, and there it is on her wrist. Bang. Looks absolutely beautiful, stunning. So I adjusted a little bit, and there we go. Gave it the thumbs up, and we were good to go. So I got to go ahead to finish setting everything up here. So I'm just looking at it compared to the actual phone. It's not an exact match by any means, but it looks good together. It's not a bad combination at all. It looks beautiful. My wife will be very happy with her phone. She's upgrading from the 14 Pro Max, like I said. And she's upgrading from the Series 5. So here I'm just going to install a screen protector, a soft screen protector here that goes right over the device. Didn't take long. I don't know whatever that company is. I had very extremely low expectations, like extremely low expectations for that screen protector that you see there. But it actually came out pretty good. I was able to get it installed bubble free. And it looks like the screen. I mean, at some point it'll start popping up, but hey, for right now, it looks amazing. So no complaints out of me. It doesn't even look like there's one on there. So I'm very happy with it. So I went ahead and got that smoothed out and ready to go. I started setting up the watch as best as I could. Got the strap back on there and everything's set up and good to go. And that was it. Appreciate you watching. Thank you again. My name is Mark Days. Follow me on IG at @TheRealMarkDays. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Once again, God bless you. Peace be unto you.